In this video, we're going to show you how you can book a repair job in RepairDesk. Let's start off by creating a ticket. First, we need to select the POS from the left-hand menu. And over here, we'll click the Create Ticket button. Now, let's click on Add Customer on the right side and enter a customer name. Let's call him Mac. And we click Add Mac as a new customer. Now here we can add more details about our customer. Let's add in their last name. And click on Save. Alright, our customer's created. Now time to book a repair. From the vertical section on the left-hand side, we'll click on Mobile Repairs. From here we select the brand, the model number, and the services. When we're done, we'll click on Add Details. And we're taken to the Details page. Now from here, we'll have to click the Condition Checklist button. This will bring up our condition checklist. We can click on Check All. Let's turn this to Working, and click on Save. Now here we can see all the parts that are linked to the repair. Clicking on this button will bring up more parts. We select the part that we need. We can see the ones that are out of stock and the ones that are there in real time. Select the one that we need and click Add Parts to Ticket. Now we can add more details on the device, such as the IMEI number. And here I'm going to add the phone lock. And click on Confirm and Add to Ticket. Now our ticket has been created and shows up on the right-hand side. To complete our repair job, we can go down to the Checkout button and select a payment method, or we can click on the button next to it and click on Create Ticket. And there we go, our ticket is created. We can click on the View Ticket button on the right-hand side to open up further details on the ticket. As you can see, here we have the ticket details, and over here we have a work log and a button to notify the customer. Now here we can also make changes to our ticket after we've created it. We can select who the ticket is assigned to from here. Let's select Andy from the list. And over here we can change the physical location where the device is stored. Let's select bin 1. And there we go. All our changes are reflected in real time on our ticket. And that's how you can book a repair job with RepairDesk.